Hello everyone. In the previous two lecture, we talked about how to use the editing script function in Keysnap. So today we are going to talk about how to use Keysnap to register a bunch of email. So because like some people may wondering how they can get a bunch of email address when they try to use the Digg or they try to post lots of threads on different forums. So today we are trying to introduce one function from Keysnap, and I do believe it will give you some help. So basically, people can just download the Keysnap software submitter or Keysnap submitter from the main website, keysnap.com. After they can download it, so they can just open it. I will use Keysnap submitter at this time, and I will open the software. So basically, I still will use the free trial version to do the introduction this time. And there's a new version of Keysnap is available. So everyone who is interested in it, you can just go to the main website and get the new version of it. And then they can click the Keysnap browser. So we just open it, and we will go to the editing function. So it's the Keysnap script editor dialog again. In the previous one lecture, I just introduced how to you can just import an existing file here. So I will existing my file this time is the KSS file. So I will click run, and I will show you how the Keysnap submitter can just stimulate people's behavior. So basically today we are going to talk about how to sign up the email address in Hotmail. So this this web page we just say is the main web page from the Hotmail. So at this point, there's a reminder of me. What I need to do is just enter the captchas here. So I will enter the keywords 36 LDS, and I will click OK. The characters didn't match the picture, so please try again, and it remind me again. And it will sleep for 10 seconds, so I can just wait. And here again, SCSRXDGRW. I will click OK. Well, at this point, we can see that the Hotmail reminds me I have already registered in the Hotmail. So that means I get a Hotmail account and I get the password. So let's see another example. I will click run again. Basically, it's a circle script. So if you do not click stop, it will just register and sign up the Hotmail from the beginning to the end. So I will enter the captchas here again. TS5FKBSY. I will click OK. So we can say the process is working. We see the percentage on the bottom of it, and we just sign up another Hotmail account. So, well, this is how the Keysnap submitter can stimulate people's behavior. What it can do is just people can just edit your script, and you can just sign up bunch of Hotmails automatically through Keysnap submitter. And in this step, I will try to give you some explanation from my script, and it will give you more clear tips. So basically, this is the Hotmail main page from Firefox browser, and let's open the script. So from the beginning, the code is clear and open. This is the Hotmail main website. Clear is clear means that before every time we try to sign up to Hotmail, you need to clear all the cookies. So clear, and then it's the first name part. So we see here who are you, that the Hotmail asks you who are you, what is your birthday and gender. Here I just signed. Here I just set up the first name is have 6 words. 6 means 6 vocabularies here, and no numbers in my name. So because you never see a person called Sydney 1 or 2, so I just set up a real name here, and then get random string is the function from Keysnap. So you can just find more detailed explanation in the Keysnap basic function here. We already talked about it in the first lecture, so if you can't remember, just go back it, and then we go back to our script. First name, just sign up, and after you already input the first name, we can just set up 1 second for sleep, so it looks more nature, and then go to the last name. For the last name, I said it has 7 vocabularies here. It also does not have the numbers in it, and then I click input. So I will provide 1 second for sleep. It's the same that I will. It's the same function. I will set up the birthday and the gender. Actually, you can just set up various kind of information here, but I would like to make the whole process easier, so I just set up the birthday is March 23rd, 1985. So I set up this birthday for every time, and the gender is male. You can just sign up another birthday, or you can just sign up a different gender. It doesn't matter. So I just try to make the process more easier. So I just set this one. Well, in the following part comes to a very significant process. The Hotmail asked me, how would you like to sign in? So this is very important, like the Hotmail account name. Here we go. So you can just input the ID here, and I just use the username and just try to input the username, and I register that the username contains 8 factors, and 3 of them are the numbers. So that means 8 words and 3 numbers could be my username, and that could be the last address of your email account. So let's go to another part. I will input my password here. So the password, I still get 8 words here and 4 numbers. So after I set up it here, I will also sign up 1 second for sleep. Here we will give more description about this Java sentence. If fail pass, the JavaScript style display. If fail pass, none. So I will explain this Java sentence in Firefox. So we already talked about it in last previous section, how to use the Firefox. And basically what it means is like for example, my name is Sydney Anderson, and I try to create a password here. What is my password at this point? So my password is Sydney 2012. Let's see it. So the Hotmail may remind me that your password can't contain your first name. So we can use Firebug to check it. Like this one. How it say that your password is wrong and class error style. So it reminds me my password is not correct, and at this point I will sign up another one. So like another one is Hotmail 2012, and let's see. So there's no remind. So and we see how the Firebug define this one is display name. So what I mean is, if your password contains your first name or last name, the Hotmail will remind me. So in my script, what I mean, if your password contains the first name or your second name, the Hotmail will give you a note that your password is invalid. So when I try to edit the script, I just consider this situation, and if my password doesn't contain my first name or second name, and it will display name. So there's no reminder here. And then we go to another part. The second one is re-enter the password. So the script will go to input password. And then for the third part is to enter some phone number. Everyone get a phone number, but you don't need to enter your real phone number at this point. You can just random it, and I just set up the number here. So everyone knows that the first 3 number is our area, and the other 7 we can just randomly set it. And after I enter this information, I will stop 1 second. Well, it still get the same function with my password. If our phone number is filled, the JavaScript, because I use the Java sentence here, so it still will remind me I got a mistake here. So you need to run again or enter another telephone number. And then we go to another point, is where are you from, and I will set my country here and will not change it. So and then we go to the zip code, and zip code, I set the zip code here is 33455. Basically you can just edit script which can contain various zip code, but I just try to make the whole process in an easy way, so I just default my code account. And then we go to the last part, is called the captcha. Basically I still try to use the JavaScript sentence, and I use the save image function. So save image function, you still can find it in the Keysnap function description. Let's find it. Save image. So it means save image with the URL. Because at this point you get a captcha here, and you have to the Keysnap will help you to distinguish the name, so you need to enter the captcha by yourself. And so basically you need according to the function description, you need to provide the image URL here, and everyone can get it from your Firebug. So what I will do is I will use the Firebug to check my image, and I will just get a copy of it, and I will put it in the Firefox for another new tab, and I will just get the common part of it. So what is the common part is the default ASPX. So this is my default capture address. Well, after you enter all this information, for a normal person, you will click I accept. But there could be three situation appears here. So like you may have you may be filtered for three reasons, like you enter the wrong name, you enter the wrong capture, or you enter the wrong password. So if you made a mistake, you will do this whole sign up process again. So in my script, I consider of this situation, I just set up go to capture again. So back to the capture and do that again. And if you do not happen, like you fill out all the information correct, so your sign up will be success. Let's go back to see an example again. So I will click run, and we can back to the Hotmail main page and enter the first name, last name, birthday, and the country. And right now I need to enter the captures MDQ, BW, MBXN. I know the last one is S, so if I do not enter S rather than A, so let's see what will happen. That's the mistake I made. Well, there's a reminder that the characters didn't match the picture. Please try again. So after 10 seconds, it will try again. Well, I will try again is 4BXC, GM, and 3. I will click OK. We can see it's working right now. Well, we success sign up a new Hotmail account. Basically, this is our main lecture today, and we talk about how to use the Keysnap Submitter to sign up the Hotmail. So for more information, you can just contact with support@keysnap.com. You can directly go to our main website, or you can go to our Twitter and you can add Twitter us, or you can directly post some comments in our YouTube account. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.